This is the TATTMUSE Portable Printer, and real quick, I'm going to show you everything that comes in the box here. So real quick, I'm going to go ahead and open it up right at the bottom here. And one quick note, I have already opened this up, and I did test to make sure the unit works phenomenally well. Now, what you get, you actually get some paper with it, and no, the paper doesn't look exactly like this with all this junk on it. That's because I opened it already, and I've actually used some. And you get this paper, it's wrapped in plastic, and then you have the unit itself. Now, I'm going to go ahead and pull the unit out right here, and there we go. There's the unit. In the box here, we have a little booklet right here, a quick start guide. It shows you all the items that come with it, which you have your charging cable right here, and you also have a USB-C to USB-A adapter, or this charging cable that's USB-A to USB-C. Now, on the device itself, you have your port right on the side there for charging, and then you also have this piece of paper that's inside the unit that tells you kind of how to remove it. Now, when I got my unit, it already had a charge, and I've had this for 2 months now, and it still has retained its charge. So it holds its charge very well. I'm going to go ahead and turn this on, hold it for a second, and then boom, it turns on. And then if I double tap right there, it's going to kick the paper out for me. It just kicked the paper out for me. So no problems. I'm going to hold the power back on it, and boom, it turns off. Now, final thing in the box here, you just have a little warning label that talks about certain things that you want to do with the unit, be careful of type stuff. But I am really impressed with this guy. If you're in the market for one, I highly recommend it. This thing has been working great for me.